Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for those who watched my last video and subscribe. Today's video will be talking about the gap fill. So basically what gap fill is, it is where the market, the difference between where the market closed and then where the market opened. So if there's a huge difference in between, that usually get fail from my few years of experience trading. That gap usually get filled in. If it is a small gap, usually in like one day. If it is big gap, maybe in like a few days or so. But the 90% of the time they get filled. And if you want to know more about the gap fails, also you could Google and see typically what happens, and then yeah, you might learn more about it if you are new. Make sure to just do your research, and then also practice with paper accounts, so you don't go in with your live account. So yeah, just practice with paper account every time you see a gap fill. So just mark where the market was closed and then where the market opened. If there's a gap in between, you could easily just practice with the paper money and just try to buy it. For example, if it is a gap down, buy at the low at where the candle is. So and then just leave it. Just have a stop loss below the candle, and then just let it to like a day or so just to practice how the gap fill works, and then just get your stats from that, and then improve your trading out of it. But like I said, most of the time it get failed 90% of the times. And as you can see, some of the gap we had, this one we had on the 17th. So this is what gap is. So basically, what happens with market close, and then when it opened, as you guys could see, it dropped all this left this empty space. So there was no candle in between in this space, as you could see. This is what we call a gap. Sometimes they have it like small and sometimes really big, but this one is kind of small gap compared to Nasdaq dropping on other some of the gaps. But this usually those type of gaps they get filled 90% of the times, as I said. So as you guys could see, like we had huge gap to the downside, and then what you notice is you see this it was overnight. So on this one I actually I seen that huge gap, so I was late to the party, but I did not get it from I didn't buy on this candle, but I was able to buy on this candle. So once we had this pullback, I bought it and then just put my stop loss below this candle. I didn't buy with huge amount. I just went in like 2 micros and then just left it overnight, just run all. So before the market opens, you can see it literally fill the gap and then drop from the. So that's how whenever you had the this type of gap and then you went long or short, you just trail your profit, or if it get close to the fail, you just take your profit and be done with it. So yeah, that's this is the one I'm talking about. And then also someone commented on my last video saying that my he couldn't understand what I was saying. I was saying, so I decided to change my microphone today. I hope it's a little bit clear and better. But I also have I'm kind of under the weather, feeling a little bit sick, so my voice is not good. But I hope you guys can understand me. If not, I'll try to see during the editing. I might have to upload it new, maybe after I get better and stuff. But I figure since I haven't uploaded for a few days, so I wanted to cover this gap field that I had traded. So yeah, make sure whenever you have like this, like I said, just practice with paper money first, just because you don't get all the emotion and stuff. So after you had few gap fill trades, you will begin to understand how it works, how they works, and then you'll make the decision out of your stat from your wins and your losses from the gap field. So yeah, but it works 90% of the time. So yeah, that's the one I wanted to cover. But for now, I've been trading, but I'm just looking at this because since 12, we've been using this range. As you can see, I put the box. I had a box, but I wanted to see if we could break above this, so we could then could take a trade. So yeah, all right, guys. Thank you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.